Hi everyone, it's Terry here from nutsaboutsstamping.com. I just found out that a couple of people that I know are expecting their very first baby. So I need to get cracking on some baby cards. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a very cute and colorful baby card idea with the help of my Big Shot and the Beauty Abounds stamp set. Now, because I don't know the gender of these babies, I'm going to use Highland Heater as my card base. I've cut it 8.5 by 5.5 and I've scored it on the 4 1/4 mark. And to that, I am going to add a layer of Whisper White, but I'm going to do some stamping and die cutting first, and then I'll show you how I'm going to pull all of these colors together. So from the Beauty Abounds stamp set, I have a couple of images mounted, and I'm going to use Lemon Lime Twist. I love this color and I'm going to use it every chance I can because it is retiring at the end, I think it's June 3rd. So if you love this color too, I highly encourage you to consider purchasing it right away, because once the retired lists are announced, these colors that are retiring just fly off the shelves. Don't forget to get coordinating accessories like cardstock, ink refills, ribbon, anything that's in the sort of the colors that you love, that you know are going away. And I think I'll do one more. I'll do it like that. Okay? Now, I'm going to set this aside for, oh no, I'm not. I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to take my Memento Jet Black ink, and I've got another image from the Beauty Abounds stamp set, and I'm going to ink it up with the Memento ink, and I'm going to stamp it this way, and then I'm going to overlap and stamp it the other way. But don't worry, nobody is going to see the mess in the middle, because we're going to cover it up. So let me set this aside for a second. Let's have a quick look before I do. And now I'm going to bring in a scrap piece of Whisper White cardstock, and I'm going to ink the butterfly from the Beauty Abounds stamp set and stamp it down. And then I have the Hello from the same stamp set, and I'm going to stamp it really close to my butterfly. It's actually touching the butterfly, which bothers me a little bit, but for the sake of this video, we will just carry on. Now I'm going to bring in my Big Shot, and my sandwich is the magnetic platform, bottom standard cutting pad, and I am going to take one of the layering circles framelits, and I'm going to die cut the phrase and the butterfly. And then I'm going to take one of the scalloped circles from the same set, and I'm going to die cut that out. And then I am going to use one of the well-written framelits. Love this pack. And it's got a phrase that says baby. So I attached a piece of the multi-purpose adhesive sheet on the back of the Highland Heater, and I'm going to die cut out the word baby. So I think I hopefully can successfully die cut these all out together. There's my butterfly phrase, my scallop circle, and my baby. Oh, good, it came out nicely. And what I'm going to do is take some snail adhesive, and I'm going to adhere my 2 circle layers together, like so. And then I'm going to bring in my little tool here to poke out the extras from the baby. All right, so now what I'm going to do is bring in my card front, and I'm going to peel off the backing on the baby phrase, and I'm going to adhere that down first. And the reason I'm doing that is I want to make sure that it fits on the bottom of my card before I bring in my layers. So I have, remember we stamped this layer here? And I have a piece of basic black that I want to put underneath it. So I'm going to use my snail adhesive. Okay, that's good. And then I'm going to add some more snail. And I'm going to bring the card in. And this is why I wanted to know where the baby was going to be, so that when I added this layer, everything would coordinate well. And then the last thing I'm going to do is use a Stampin' Dimensional or 2, maybe I'll use 2, and I'm going to pop up this hello phrase so that it just adds a little bit more dimension. I want to turn it so that the hello is straight. And there we go. I've got a really quick, cute, and very easy baby card that I've created with the help of my Big Shot and a few stamp sets and other products. For a complete listing of the supplies that I used and the measurement for all of the layers, please head to my blog, www.nutsaboutsstamping.com. While you're on my blog, I invite you to subscribe to my free newsletters. I send a newsletter each week with a project you won't see anywhere else. You'll also find a link to my online store over on my blog so that you can place an order for all your favorite products before they retire, including Lemon Lime Twist. I'm Terry. I am Nuts About Stamping. I'll be back soon with another project idea for you to try. I hope you create something beautiful today too. Bye.